Hi, I'm Dr. Deepan Shah with Houston Methodist DeBakey Heart and Vascular Center. I'd like to invite you to join us for the Houston Methodist CMR Workshop. This week-long event will be held at the Houston Methodist Research Institute in the Texas Medical Center. This workshop covers the practical applications of cardiac MRI, including basic MRI principles, cardiac anatomy, late gadolinium enhancement, stress imaging, vascular imaging, and case interpretation and troubleshooting of image acquisition. The development of the practical skills and knowledge will be emphasized. In order to better facilitate lectures and a hands-on experience, the workshop will be limited to a small group of attendees. The course is designed for cardiologists, radiologists, and technologists, and attendees can expect to review up to 50 clinical CMR cases. I hope you'll join us for this conference. For more details, please visit our website.